Will home values appreciate or depreciate in 2020? With the housing market staggered to some degree by the health crisis the country is currently facing, some potential purchasers are questioning whether home values will be impacted. Each month the National Association of Realtors (NAR) surveys over 50,000 real estate practitioners about their expectations for home sales, prices and market conditions for the REALTORS Confidence Index. Their latest edition sheds some light on the relationship between seller traffic, supply, and buyer traffic, demand, during this pandemic. This map was created after asking the question, how would you rate buyer traffic in your area? The survey shows that in 34 of the 50 U.S. states, buyer demand is now strong and 16 of the 50 states have a stable demand. The index also asks, how would you rate seller traffic in your area? The map indicates there are far fewer homes on the market than what is needed to satisfy the needs of buyers looking for homes right now. With demand still stronger than supply, home values should not depreciate. If you're thinking about listing your home, let's connect to discuss how you can capitalize on the somewhat surprising demand in the market now. Call John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage at 302-703-0727.